Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to design DNA from an existing sequence, how to perform codon optimization, and how to order a gene synthesis project. To design DNA from existing DNA sequence, select your molecule of interest from the database and double-click to view it in the molecule editor. In the molecule editor, you can select the region you want made. You can start with a region or select the entire molecule. For this example, I will have the coding sequence synthesized. I select the coding sequence and will optimize the codons for expression in my chosen organism. To the right side of the graphic pane, click on the Gene Art Portal tool, then on Gene Optimization. The dialog box has the gene sequence loaded, and below it finds the available open reading frames. My sequence has just one open reading frame. Click Next. Now we can specify any restriction enzyme sites or motifs that we would like to avoid in the optimized sequence. I will leave these at the default settings and click Next. If there are any restriction enzyme sites or motifs in the sequence that you would like to protect, here is where you can specify this, and click Next. Now I can pick my target host for expression. Let's optimize for E. coli expression and run the optimization from my local computer as opposed to the web service. Now hit Optimize. This can take from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on the length of the sequence. The result is shown at the top with the changes in red. You can choose to view the report or save the result. I'll save the results to our database. Then click Finish. The program will ask you if you'd like to synthesize the optimized molecule. You could say no at this point and select the Gene Art Portal tool at a later date and click Gene Synthesis to initiate a gene synthesis order. For this example, let's say yes. This opens the Gene Synthesis Project dialog window. In the top pane is the optimized sequence to be synthesized. Select the biosafety classification, the antibiotic resistance marker if you've chosen to specify one, and any of the other details requested if they apply. Then click Submit. Name the project something you will recognize on the portal, not exceeding 25 characters. And click OK. You may be prompted to enter a username and password if you haven't entered it before. Enter the username and password you would like to use for your Gene Art Portal account. It may take from seconds to a couple of minutes to submit. Once completed, you get a prompt that the upload was successful. At this point, you have not yet placed an order. To complete the order process, click the Portal Project Manager hyperlink. This will take you to the Gene Art Portal where your project has been uploaded to complete the order process. Find your project and follow the prompts to complete your gene synthesis order. Now click OK and then Finish. I have already saved the optimized results to the database, so I can pull it up from the database. Double-clicking it will open it in the molecule editor. You have now designed a DNA sequence, optimized the codons for expression in the target host organism, and ordered a gene synthesis project.
you.